In today's financial markets, traders are searching for more than just access to assets. They want a platform that combines simplicity, security, and practical tools that help them make informed decisions. This is where GrandGate.co positions itself. One of the first things users notice is accessibility. GrandGate.co operates directly through a web browser, eliminating the need for software downloads or complicated installations. Whether you are using a desktop computer or a mobile device, the platform is designed to provide a smooth and convenient experience. Another important aspect is account management. GrandGate.co supports multiple funding methods, including bank transfers, digital wallets, and payment cards. The platform follows structured verification procedures designed to maintain security and compliance while keeping the process straightforward for users. The platform also focuses on transparency. Users can easily monitor market activity through clear visual indicators. Green highlights upward movement, while red indicates downward movement, making it easier to follow changing conditions in real time.